Hi, my name is Ed Straykar and welcome to my first video blog. I started this blog because most of you follow me through my newsletters or the blog through my website, but have never met me, and I wanted you to see the face behind the words. The primary purpose of the blog is to offer suggestions and tips to both families and businesses on how to protect yourselves properly for your given exposures, as well as how to save premium dollars for the insurance that you have. People usually don't want to talk about insurance. They'd rather go to the dentist than talk to me. However, it is a necessary discussion to have. Insurance is a very important part of your portfolio. It's a very important part of your lives, just as your accountant, your attorney, or your doctor would be. As we approach the end of summer, I sit here, October 1st is right around the corner, and the beginning of healthcare reform begins, which is the topic of today's conversation. Last week, I spent the entire week attending meetings reviewing this monster. I call it a monster because as I was at these meetings, I looked around the room. I saw health insurance professionals scratching their heads. I saw company executives scrambling to meet deadlines. I saw folks that have insurance currently with a worried look in their eye, and rightfully so. As changes will be coming in the months and years ahead, one thing is for certain: health insurance premiums are going up. And this is for the families out there, this is for the self-employed individuals out there, and this is for the employers who pay for their employee benefits. Premiums are rising. So for those of you who are concerned about the amount of money you were paying to your health insurance carriers before, you ain't seen nothing yet. The problem with the healthcare reform, besides the raise in these premiums, is that folks are still not going to be 100% insured. The federal government has imposed fines or taxes or levies, whatever term you want to use, on individuals who don't take out the insurance. But they're not that steep. So it's going to come down to, if you can't afford your health premium, you just simply can't afford your health premium. You're going to pay your fine and walk your merry way. What's going to happen then is the folks that are going to walk away will be the healthy individuals who aren't concerned about doctors or hospitals or laboratory fees or x-rays. Okay? The folks that will stay on the plan are the folks who need medical attention. They're on medication, they're under a doctor's care, they have surgery pending of some sort. That's going to leave a pool of individuals with insurance with high claims. And those that are going to leave the pool are going to be the healthy ones that don't have any claims. If you want to get a peek into what's going to happen as healthcare reform unfolds here in this country, Google Massachusetts and take a look at the way healthcare reform has not worked in that state. The saddest part of this whole situation is that not only will we have uninsured folks still, health rates going up still, it's not going to control healthcare costs. It costs money to save lives. It costs money to keep people healthy. It costs money to keep people living a good lifestyle. Well, that money has to come from somewhere, and individuals and families and corporations and employers, they're tapped out. There's no more money they can spend for healthcare costs. Yet these costs will continue to rise, and this healthcare reform will do nothing to prevent that. That being said, we still have to play by the rules, and that means we have to follow the law and abide by what the federal government says we need to do. So for those of you who'd like to see a timeline of what changes are taking place, how they will affect you, and what you need to do to best protect yourselves, visit my website at www.edstraykar.com. That's EDSTRACAR, and shoot me an email. I'll provide you with the timeline. I can discuss your options with you. I can tell you where to go. You can go for more information. And you can make the decision at that point what's best for you, your company, or your family. Once again, my website, www.edstraykar.com. Till next time, enjoy the rest of your summer.